Hi guys! Didn't think you'd see me today, did ya? But I got to thinking, you know, we are a farm stand, and I'm sure some of you guys want to see what the farm actually looks like. So we were getting ready to put some hay out, and I thought I would give a little chat and show you what we go through on a daily basis with our farm and our cattle. Sorry, my husband's starting up the skid loader to put hay out, but I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can meet our gals and guy. Look at them. God love them. So when you have a farm, you do not rest, you do not take a day off, because these guys depend on you for sure. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a video of what we as ranchers and farmers go through to give you guys a product. So I'm gonna flip and show you my husband. He's in there. So I'm gonna flip back around. Say hi, girls. They look miserable, don't they? All right, I'm gonna walk over here. And I'm gonna show you our new babies that we just had. Here's my son, Levi. It's Facebook. All right, guys. Here's our mamas. And there's some babies in there. They're all trying to stay warm in this craziness. So, all right, well, I'm gonna get off here. Got snow everywhere. So I can help them put out the hay and the feed, but wanted to give you guys a glimpse, just a little bit of what we go through as ranchers to provide our beef for you guys to eat. So I'm gonna hop off and I will see you guys later. Bye.